guys, welcome back to Blueberry Bites. So I came up with one more interesting video which is unboxing. Yeah, I got something from Savana. So let's do unboxing. Yeah, let's open one by one. I got this cute set of boxer shorts. So I got them for like 1,000 rupees, like 1199. Let's see the quality. My god, they are so soft and they're so lovely. Like, I like them. So this is how they're looking. Yeah, this looks very comfy. I got it in 3 colors. So this is one color. So this is a set of 3. These are like so comfy and yeah, so body hugging, and yeah, I love the quality. So if you want to check out, comment down for the links. I'll just post it. Yeah, I got this for 1199 exactly. Loved it. The thing that I ordered was this one. I forgot what was it. I think maybe it's a top. Let's see. Yeah, it is a cute top. Yeah, it looks kind of like this, and the neck goes like this, and it's gonna be like this. It's a pretty top. I'll show you. Yeah, it's kind of like a pretty top. Like this. Yeah, cute purchase. I got this for 671. So I got this for 671. If you want the links, comment below. Yeah, this is like a one more purchase, like a jean, but it's kind of different from normal jeans. I'll show you how it looks. So it's a jean, but with a twist. Okay, so here is the twist. Okay, this is a jean, and we have this, so we can actually do something like this and then wear a jean. Yeah. Yeah, I got this for like 1,500. And one more cute track or gym shorts that I bought. It's a black with white. It's a combination of black and white. So you're everything black and then the white borders, or yeah, this is the one. So I feel it's like a cute gym wear. Yeah. Okay guys, that's all for today, and I'll come back with one more interesting video. Until then, it's Blueberry signing off. Bye bye.